guys. We're almost at the bottom. Let's see if she's still pumping from down here. Oh, I done locked it in. Let's see if any water coming from down here. Nope. No water coming out. That's it. She don't have any tangles. That's it. So she pumping. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sensei from RPM Routine Project Maintenance, better known as Woosah style pressure washing. I'm about to head and get me a couple Gilmore guns for the soft wash system. But this video really for all the appreciation and my subscribers and everybody that I've been watching from last year to this year, opening up the Woosah brand. So I appreciate all of y'all. Yeah, appreciate all of you guys, man. Thank you so much. Let me see. Yeah, special shout out to Pink Flamingo, Dan the Man, Don Super Blast, did I say Freddie Pressure? Billy Davidson, Rucker, Pressure Wash Pro, Cody from Southeast Southwest. Hey man, y'all guys taught me a lot, and there's some more y'all on here, Mean and Lean. Let's see here. That's a good one. Looking for the Gilmore gun. It might be out over here. Pressure washer. Okay, my gun's down here. I passed them up. I don't see the Gilmore gun. I don't see any Gilmore guns. This is the new improved Gilmore guns right here.
Jacob, home section 458, please. Jacob, 458.
Okay, look like I see the Gilmores. The little tips here. There you go, right there. There's two here. Somebody put like a little washer, a shooter tip on here. It looked like something I would have done, but no, that wasn't me. I'm gonna snatch these two Gilmore guns, man, and be heading on my way. But I appreciate all you guys that that taught me so much in the business, man. I appreciate all of you guys. You know, it's been a journey. Y'all saw me putting my change hands. Y'all see me putting my system together. Everything, man. Like, it's all good. Good morning. All right.
It take a day to do all that, dude.
So I'm gonna holler at y'all. Let me pay for this stuff here. I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man.
Yeah. I ain't never had nothing like that. Imagine I ain't do all that.
What's up, man? About to get me some gas. So if you can afford gas, you ballin'. You can afford that gas price, you're doing good out here, man. For real. You're doing good out here. You can afford gas. Everybody can't. So that's what it is. Oh, we'll give me a banana. Right. Hey, Mom, look at that banana. Yeah, guys, you can afford gas. You do it all right. Gas prices. Oh, it's $4.39 or something, which is very high over here. But I'll let y'all. Coming to pick up my little old car from right here. We got some sales going on. Picking up the golf cart.
Once you get some heat on it, it's gonna throw through.
Ooh, look at that, y'all. This the man right here. He fixed my beautiful Woodside Mobile up. I love the front. I love that front so much. But anyway, this is the additional to the Softforge advertising, man. It stands out. One of a kind, you know. It sits right there. Front everything sit up high. It's all about the advertisement. All about advertisement, guys. Taking pride in what you're doing, and it pays off. Money's gonna come regardless. So I sure appreciate you, my friend.
Yes, sir.
I'll see
My
you
pleasure.
when you come on back. Let me let everybody know that I'm gonna have phone number and my website right there. And right here, I haven't seen what he's gonna put here yet. But he's gonna put something there. He already told me. They did charge me too, right? Already.
Yes, sir. We got it on.
All right, so this will be filled up too, guys, and it give it a little bit more of a complete wrap on it. And I want to leave this kind of to it look like that club cart original in the front, but yet with this right here, it brought it all the way out. Amazing. Great work, my friend.
Like I say, to build a rapport, get people seeing you. So if you're gonna do flyers, man, do it that way. Don't just hand out no flyer or just go to doors giving away money, and you ain't really talking to nobody. Cause you gotta talk to people, man. That's guerrilla, man. We out here guerrilla marketing, man. So salute to the
question
guy.
I get asked about owning a pressure washing business is, do we use the customer's water supply? Guys, I have been pressure washing for over 28 years, and I'm going to explain why we use the customer's water supply.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Lean and Mean Academy. Today, we are at one of my neighbor's houses. If you want to look back in the videos, I'll put a video up here that shows you me cleaning this driveway like 2 years ago. So, you know, they asked to do it again.
This is Clifford Penn Flamingo Power Wash. Got with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're here for a dirty driveway cleaning, and also we're gonna be doing a pool of 9 in the back. This customer here reached out to me from Google My Business, or Google Business Profile, what it's called right now.
It is 7:20 Saturday morning. Kids are asleep. Got a house wash to do. Then we gotta go water sports all day, bathing suit, water shoes. We're ready to rock, but business before pleasure. We're going to do a quick house wash. I'm going to demonstrate a sidewall that's got a lot of yuck, a lot of mildew and mold and old pollen. It's been probably 3 or 4 years since this house has been washed. So what we got, Pool Essentials, 10.5% sodium hypochlorite, all right, SH. So if you're not familiar with what SH is, sodium hypochlorite, all right, 10% active ingredient, 90% water and whatever, for a total of 100%. So this is bleach. This is Clorox bleach. This is Home Essentials bleach from Kroger. This is bleach.
I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and it's going to be a great day, man. Look at these. Look at the sky out there. Low winds. Got a cooler full of nice ice cold drinks. And now it's time to...
Everybody, my name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and in today's video we're going to be doing a pressure washing job recap video. In this pressure washing job recap, I'm going to be doing all the front concrete, including the driveway, the front sidewalk leading up to the front door, and there's also a side sidewalk leading to the...
Hey, good morning. Joe Deary, Powerful Improvements, Putnam, Connecticut. I'm out here on Sunday morning in Lebanon, Connecticut, which is a little bit of a trip.
Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with PressureCleaningschool.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about pressure washing.
What equipment for pressure washing do I need to start a pressure washing business? In this video,
Isaiah here. Haven't made a video in a while. Honestly, guys, I've been a little bit. I was sick for a whole week. Just now, recovering.
Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning. I'm not going to do any more retakes. What you see is what you get. Just it takes forever to shoot the perfect video, so I'm just gonna talk. If I slip up, then just bear with me. Hope you guys had a great...
Hey guys, Southeast Soft Wash here. We're adding to our series of how-tos. We've got a really popular how to clean roof video. Taking me a while to get around to doing a driveway video. I've been waiting to have a good driveway.
What's going on? Young Ambition Soft Wash
My name
here.
is Mike, and this is all about pressure washing. And today we are doing the...
Wire from United Soft Wash, representing Garner, North Carolina, and today we're going to make a quick how-to video on how to clean a roof like a pro. If that's something you're interested in, pay attention, because I'm about to learn you something. I'll get with you.
Let me just cut to the chase really fast. We have the opportunity to test a new product that we've kind of been in coordination with through some friends and some relationships that we developed.
Pro again here at one of our biannual gutter cleanings with the guards on it. If you probably remember this house, we washed it and all that. But I did get wind that the customer is going to be selling. He's a doctor.
So yeah, guys, I hope that the video was as cool as it was making it. I really do appreciate all of you guys that was instrumental in my process for pressure washing. But we're gonna go ahead and get the Woodside Mobile out the way, out of the rain. And get out the rain, bring it inside. Y'all see me getting wet? I got my clothes on that I cleaned the pool with today, so I don't mind. And just like that, we out of the rain. But like I said, guys, I appreciate all of the advice that I received from pressure washing. It's always good to know and see. That's the pink that came on it. Looks nice. I like that. It brightens it up. But my experience with pressure washing has been very gratifying and rewarding to me, and I hope that it has been like that for you guys as well. This is your boy Sensei. I am Woosai Style Pressure Washing. I'm out, baby.